Perhaps it has been buried for 10 years, she said in a whisper, in a very slow voice. Perhaps it is the key to the garden. As she remembered about the secret garden, she saw that old key. She thought that perhaps maybe this key is for the secret garden which was buried 10 years ago. She looked at the key quite a long time. She looked at the key for a long time. She thought that if it was the key to the closed garden and she could find out where the door was, she could open it and see what was inside the walls. Like as she got the key, she again thought of the closed garden and thought of the closed garden that there could be. It was a key to the closed garden and she could find. Now if the key is there, she will find the closed door of the secret garden and she will try to open it and would like to see what is inside that secret garden walls. She put the key in her pocket and went back home. She took the key and went back home. The next day, Mary took her skipping rope and skipped round all the gardens and round the orchard. Orchard is a fruit garden. Now, next day, Mary took her skipping rope and kept on skipping all around the garden and the orchard. She stopped to rest a while and there was the robin again. When she stopped after skipping for some time, the robin came back, swaying on a long branch of ivy. Swaying is to move from side to side on a branch of ivy. Ivy is a plant, a type of climbing plant. He had followed her and he greeted her with a chirp. Now, when we people meet each other, we greet each other with saying hello, hi and all that. But this robin, obviously, it is a bird, so he greeted Mary with a chirp. Chirp is the sound of the bird. You showed me where the keys was yesterday, she said. Show me the door today, but I don't believe you now. Means, yesterday you show me the key, now you show me the door today. But I don't believe. Now Mary says, I don't believe you. The robin flew from his swinging spry branch of ivy on the top of the wall and he opened his beak and sang a loud, lovely trill song. Means robin flew from his swinging branch of ivy to the top of the wall of the garden, the secret garden, and he opened his beak to sing a lovely song which was very loud. A little gust of wind, means a little speedy wind, rushed down the path and it was stronger than usual. It was strong enough to wave, to move the branches of the trees, means to separate the branches of the trees and sway the trailing, moving ivy hanging from the wall, to move away the hanging climbing plant from the wall, to clear the place, to clear the wall area to see what is behind those climbing plants. Suddenly the gust of wind, gust is sudden strong wind, swung aside, means swing, past tense of swing is swung aside. Some loose ivy, means pushed the ivy plant here and there and Mary saw something under it. Means if my pencil is here or the plant was here, with the wind it moved this way and the area was clear. So what did Mary see there? Mary saw something under it. What was it? A round knob which had been, knob is a handle which had been covered by the leaves hanging over it. It was the knob of the door of the secret garden. She put her hands under the leaves and began to pull and push them aside. The ivy hung thickly, means the plant was very huge, very thick plant was there, like a loose and swinging curtain. Like your curtain is swinging, the ivory plant was swinging like that. Mary's heart began to thump. When you are excited or tensed, your heartbeat starts beating fast. Same way, Mary's heart began to thump and her hands began to shake a little, and her delight in her surprise and excitement in great enthusiasm. The robin kept singing and twittering, making loud noise away and tilting his head, move his head on one side as if he were as excited as she was. Means Robin was singing and then moving his head here and there, making loud noise as if Robin was also excited as Mary was to see the secret garden. What was this under her hands, which was square and made of iron? It was the lock of the door, which had been closed for 10 years. She put her hand in her pocket, drew out the key, and found it fitted the keyhole. She put the key in it and turned it. It took 2 hands to do it, but it turned. Means it was the door. When he saw what was there, that square area which was square, which something which under her hand was square, made of iron. What was that? That was the lock of the door, which had been closed for 10 years. Now she managed to open the door with the key which she found the day before. The rest of the lesson I will explain you in the next video. Thank you.